Hello folks, today I'm going to have a quick chat about visibility at night. If you only ride during the day or you're just a weekend Saturday afternoon, Sunday scratcher in fair weather, skip, this is not for you. If you're a commuter or if you do ride at night, maybe touring, then chances are you'll like this one. Today, visibility at night. For me, I'm a commuter, so I ride just over an hour each way, and 60% of that journey is on darkened or unlit roads. Some country lanes, some fast A roads. Up until now, when the weather's been really poor, I've been opting for the conventional high vis, like that. Not because I think I look good, I know I don't, but for the safety element. However, at night, it doesn't really matter what colour the actual vest is, you're only going to be seeing these little bits, and from the back it's not a great deal. So of late I decided to invest in a jacket which is 100% reflective. The Proviz Reflect 360. And it's a cycling gilet. The company basically designed and produces stuff for cyclists and runners predominantly. However, as a motorcyclist, I found that this would actually work for me. As you can tell, it's made of the same material as the reflective paneling on a conventional jacket. This is actually made of millions of tiny glass beads bonded to the fabric. The fabric itself is also windproof. It claims to be waterproof. I can't substantiate that from personal experience. You have elasticated shoulders and an elasticated waist. On this particular version you also get two pockets on each side, and on the reverse it's perforated. The nice thing with that is if you're riding in the summer at night and it's warm, you can still leave some ventilation open and the airflow will still pass away from you and the jacket without you starting to get sweaty. The collar, as you can see, has got a nice soft, almost velvety feel to it. This particular one is a size large. The way I measured it, I decided to put my normal biking jacket on, then measure my chest with a tape measure and use that measurement to pick the nearest size available. Talking of sizing, the sizes go from extra small at a 34-inch chest up to a 5XL for a 57-inch chest. So chances are, if you are looking at it, there'll be one that will fit over your bike jacket quite comfortably, and you'll see later I've actually put mine on me. Cost, this particular model is $59.99. There is a cheaper version at $39.99, which more resembles a conventional high vis, but it's just made of the reflective material, so you don't have any elastication around the shoulders or around the waist. You also don't get any pockets. Proviz is a UK based company, started in 2008 by a couple of cycling commuters commuting in and out of London. Obviously cyclists are far more vulnerable than us, but my personal thought is I'm riding in dark country lanes and dark roads. If this jacket helps a vehicle see me, then great. I've taken pictures of this at night and you've got low visibility, and then I've actually put a torch on and you can see the difference with it. Proviz also do a full armed version as well, again in the same sizing. That is about £90, and there's other colours. You can get them in various colours as well if you wish. I do suggest, if you like this video, you check out provizsport.com, link down below. I am not getting any kickback or anything from Proviz for promoting this. This is simply me pushing this out to the wider biking community, especially you guys and girls that are commuters. It is just something to help, maybe help you be seen at night. Nice thing is, during the day, it just looks like a grey jacket, so it doesn't really stand out. It's not like a high vis that says, oh, look at me, I'm over in the corner here. It doesn't look like that. You just sit there quite happily over your normal jacket. And as I say, because you've got 2 pockets, you've got a couple of pockets to put stuff that you're going to need straight away. You don't have to undo the vest to get to your pockets, to get your wallet out, or do whatever you need to do. So yeah, useful bit of kit. As you can see, fits nice and closely to the body, so it's not going to flap. I have found that the neck and the collar on this thing is a bit tight, so it doesn't actually do up all the way. But to be fair, I'm not that bothered about that, because obviously my neck roll would come up and then my helmet would come down. It's windproof as well, which helps. So if you're riding at night during the winter or the colder times, then it will help reduce the wind chill factor getting through to you. Okay folks, I hope you like it. Please consider subscribing, but whatever you do, ride safe and keep the other side down. See you soon.